Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emily Giraud. Today I will explain to you what you must take care about to organize a good trip. So listen and learn. At the beginning, you must think about few things: means of transportation, season for the weather, money, food and accommodation, route, visits, and to finish, objects and clothes. First, when you choose your destination, you must think about the best weather to go to this country and what weather you want for your holiday. For example, you mustn't go if it is the rain season or if there are cyclone or storm. It's too bad. After, you should prepare your trip in function of your budget by report with standard of living of the country. In certain countries, you have to take care about your money because you couldn't pay with euro. You should change them. I have an advice for you. Do that before to go if it is easier and easier. When you have your budget, you can decide how you will travel. For any cities, you have a choice. You must fly or take the boat. So, if you don't like plane or the boat, you could change your destination. If you want to visit the country, it's better prepare the route before and museum visit before. Do that in function your time holidays and the close days. To prepare that, you can ask to a friend who went to the country before. If you don't want to have any surprise for the food, you should to look up on internet or a book a good place for it. The same for the accommodation. If you visit a few cities, you could find your hotel or apartment before. And when you will be there, you couldn't stress out. At the end, don't forget your clothes. It's more important if you are a girl. Take them in function of the weather and of the country, and if you go to the night, if you are single of course. You want to think about any objects like medicaments, glasses and eyes if it will be cold, hot, and scarf or glove if it will be cold. And ladies, don't forget your makeup. Put it in your bag. So I hope that your trip will be very good and that we won't forget nothing. Goodbye.